Forget about your boring workouts. If you're craving a fitness routine that's fun, effective, and keeps you coming back for more, then get ready for the Music Boxing Machine L1. This isn't just a punching bag. It's your personal rhythm-fueled fitness revolution. Let's dive in and see what makes it so incredible.
The heart of the L1 experience is the Giron Boxing app. Enjoy instant access to over 800 free songs across every genre imaginable, all without any subscription fees. But it's more than just background music. The integrated LED lights pulse and change in perfect sync with the rhythm, acting as your visual guide and turning every punch into a satisfying beat-driven movement. It's innovative, engaging, and seriously motivating. Personalize your workout vibe. The Giron app lets you customize the LED colors to match your mood, your music, or your personal style. Make every session uniquely yours. We know everyone has their own sound. That's why the L1 offers ultimate music flexibility. Stream directly from the app, use the convenient built-in speakers, immerse yourself with your Bluetooth headphones, or connect your own powerful external sound system for a truly immersive experience. Don't let the sleek design fool you. The L1 is built to withstand your toughest workouts. With high sensitivity pressure sensors for accurate tracking and a robust 4-layer EVA cushioning system, it can handle powerful strikes and support up to an impressive 440 pounds. Say goodbye to workout monotony. The L1 delivers an interactive training experience with smart rhythm guidance, multiple challenging modes to keep you engaged, and even exciting online PK battles where you can challenge friends or other users. It's perfect for all fitness levels, from beginners to advanced athletes. Setting up your L1 is incredibly simple and requires no drilling. The high-strength Velcro mounting system allows you to securely attach it to any smooth wall in minutes. Compact and convenient, it's the perfect fitness solution for your home, office, or anywhere you want to get a fun and effective workout.
Honestly, the Music Boxing Machine has completely changed my workout routine. It's fun, it's engaging, and I actually look forward to my fitness sessions now. The way the music and the lights work together is just incredible. And the different training modes keeps things fresh and challenging. If you're ready to ditch the boring workouts and discover a fun, effective way to get fit, improve your coordination, and relieve stress, then the Music Boxing Machine is exactly what you need. Click the link below to learn more and explore the different options and order your very own Music Boxing Machine today. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe. Join the rhythm revolution and unleash your inner fighter. You won't regret it.